How to fix GTA 5 not launching. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is you need to launch your Play Store application and check for any updates for GTA 5. As you can see, there is no option of update, so it means we have the latest version of GTA 5 application. So we're going to go back, and also you need to make sure that you have this stable Wi-Fi connection on a device. Next, make a long press on GTA 5 application and then tap on app info. It will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and you can just delete all data, or you can just clear the cache as per your convenience. Next, tap on the app permissions and make sure that you toggle on all the required options. After giving that access, you can just search and look for if the GTA 5 has been launched. If not, you can just make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might as well fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.